welcome back to Gracefully EUT and Compliment of the Season. This very video we are going to be making 2-in-1 recipe, which is a smoothie and a juice. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't before we go direct into this video. So these are the 3 fruits we'll be needing for these 2 recipes. So this is the honey melon, pineapple, and mango. Yes, that the mango was very ripe and soft, so I just scooped it into my plate before using it for the recipe. So you really need all your fruits to be well ripe, okay, to get the perfect taste and the perfect recipe that you need for this. So I'll just go ahead and I'll be using half part of this honey melon, so I'll just keep this aside, and I'll be taking out the seed from this other part and just cut it into smaller pieces that will be easier for my blender to blend. So in my blender I'll also be using the filter that comes with the blender to just make everything go smoothly and get enough juice from the fruits. My returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you a million times. I appreciate it. So I want to say a mega shout out to all my members. Yes, everyone in my membership. I want to say God bless you. May God replenish your source of income that you're using to support this channel. I really appreciate. Only God can reward you for supporting my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're coming across my video for your first time or for your second time and you haven't still subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. It will appear 3 bells icon. Click on the notification, which is the first one, to get notified each time I upload a new video. So as you can see, I just added my honey sliced melon into the blender. Just go ahead and blend that without adding any water. So I'll add my pineapple and also my mango, my scooped ripe mango. This is a very good, ideal and healthy drink for every family or everyone in this period. We all know pineapple is very good for boosting our immune system, and this is the best time to help us boost our immune system with healthy and sweet drinks. You are the type that likes sweet like me, because I do like sweet a lot. But how do you take your sweet?
You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to...
You know what you're taking in, that it's 100% healthy. So I finished blending all those fruits together, totally blended. So I'll just take a spoon and make sure it's totally stirred. So this is the smoothie which I got from it. Smoothie is ready. Yes, smoothie is ready, and you can cheers to that. So I'll just put that aside now and show you how I'm gonna get the juice out of this smoothie I just made. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and use my bigger strainer to strain out the juice from the grounded fruits. I'm gonna repeat this like twice, yeah, because this fruit does not really have so much lumps, because honey melon does not have lumps even after blending it. So I'm just gonna sieve this twice, and then any juice that is left in this in the strainer, I'm gonna add it to my smoothie. Yes, there is nothing to throw away in this recipe. It is so healthy. I mean, it gives you all the nutrients that you need to boost your immune system and give you enough vitamins to go against flu and many things. So after doing the first round, I'm just going to repeat that as I told you the second time. If your kids are like my kids who do not take smoothie because they don't just like taking smoothie, then you can use your smoothie and process it into juice and just give them to drink. I mean, there's no kids that will not love to drink this juice, seriously. So as I told you, I'm going to add that into my smoothie.
What it is. The matrix is
So I would love to take this as chilled juice.
you can see it when you look.
So that's why I'm adding some ice. You can choose not to add some ice.
You can feel it.
But because my fruits were not kept in the refrigerator before I processed them, they were fresh from the supermarket. So that's why I added ice to the juice. And juice is ready. Smoothie and juice ready to serve. So we have come to the end of this video. I want to say thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment to let me know what you think about the video, and share because this is a healthy recipe for every family, especially for the season. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.